Hi, hi, hi. So we have just experienced Eid, right? And on Eid, there is a big culture of hugging. And today we're going to talk about the benefits of hugging. So, a lot of time when we are operating through life and we are stressed out, we are really in a fight and flight mode. And in order to feel safe, it is very important for us to have people in our life who actually hug us to make us feel safe. So we are not feeling threatened and we are not operating out of a flight or fight mode. Fight or flight mode. So these rituals of hugging on Eid, and we do three, right? These rituals of hugging each other on Eid, it is not just a ritual. It's not just a custom. There's wisdom behind it. And the wisdom is when you're hugging someone and you're wishing them and you're greeting them, it releases all these love hormones in your body that makes you feel secure, that makes you feel safe, and that is very good for your emotional and hence your overall well-being. So if you haven't had a chance to go out and celebrate Eid, even if you don't believe in Eid, go out to all these events that are happening all around the city. There are lots of melas, there are lots of festives that are happening where you can actually go and participate in Eid and you can just go and meet all these strangers and just hug them. Don't do it to women. I mean, just say in your gender, what I'm saying, just don't start going and hugging people off, how Muslims are about it. So yeah, so go and hug these people, say Assalamu alaikum, say Eid Mubarak, shake their hand and hug them, and you will have a rush of all those happy hormones, the dopamine, the oxytocin, the serotonin, and the endorphins released in your body that is actually going to help you feel better and think clearer and have a more fulfilling life.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I remember going to the Donington Festival in England. And there was a girl there.
Donington Festival?
Yeah, it's called the Download Festival now because
Okay.
corporatocracy has taken over, kind of thing. So I remember there was this girl, and I was very young. I was like in my 20s, early 20s. And there's this gorgeous ladies just standing there and they have a sign with them that say free hugs. I'm like, there has to be a catch. There surely has to be a catch.
Is there a
to this.
catch? So, okay.
And there is no catch.
Oh my
It's
God.
just festival goers just trying to spread happiness and joy to each other. And they just line up. They're like, free hugs. I'm like, okay. I gave the hug. I'm like, okay, what's the catch? They're like, no, it's fine. I'm like, okay, well, can I take you out as well?
Wow. And how to give like a proper hug.
This is
Yes,
nice.
this is called how to give a heart hug. This is how you actually, okay, this is not an Eid hug. Let me remind you, this is a heart hug. This is a heart, it's called a heart hug because you are actually bringing your heart closer to the other person's heart. And stay there. Go to your loved ones, go to your partner, do a heart hug, and stay there for 20 seconds. Don't be impatient. Just stay there. Don't count. Just stay there. Just feel the heartbeat. Instantly, it's going to make you feel happy. Instantly, it's going to make you feel alive. Instantly, it's going to give you a rush of those happy and love hormones that's going to make you look at life in such a bright, beautiful, rosy colored light. So do that.
Oh, that's a great segment.
Thank you.
Oh, that's an amazing segment.
Thank you.
Whose hugs in life do you like?
I love mom's hugs. Yeah. It looks like, but she looks like the kind of person who's really not a hugger, but she's a hugger.
She is.
Yeah. She's a hugger. I love mom's hugs.
I love your husband's hugs.
Yeah. Farooq's hugs are awesome.
He hugs with nothing held back.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah. And I like your hugs as well.
Cheers.
And I used to have this friend. I'm not going to name her in case she's watching.
बताए ना, बताए.
नहीं, मैं उसका नाम
Go
नहीं
on
ले.
then.
I can't name her. Maybe she's watching the show.
Let's say it's...
B.
Okay.
Let's call her B.
Let's call her B. Okay. I was thinking Farhanda, but okay.
Huh?
Shagufta?
No.
Okay.
Don't start naming.
Okay,
Those are not even my friends.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so I had this friend, and I knew her as a kid, and then we grew up. We met again. She had problems with hugs, like
You talking about Hajra?
no,
Okay, sorry. Carry on.
no. Hajra was the younger sister of Fatma, so Fatma was my friend.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
So you're talking about Fatma?
No, it's not Fatma.
Okay.
I said B.
Okay.
Let's suppose her name is B. And every time I'd see her, I'm trying to hug her. She's like so weird. She gets so weird. I was like, what's wrong with you? So yeah, there are a lot of people I like their hugs, but there's this one person I did not like her hugs at all. Like, I mean,
Is it Asya?
no.
Okay. Sorry. I'm just flicking through all of your girlfriends you've had.
It's not even Fahima.
No.
Yeah.
Leave Fahima alone.
So I got to tell you guys.
No. Let's save that for another time. How about
All
that?
right. Okay, let's do
It's
that.
about one of my childhood crushes, but yeah, that's for another
Ooh, Fahima, if you're watching it,
day. We can name you actually.
Fahima, let me tell you something. I have been looking for you. If you're watching this, I have looked for you endlessly on Facebook. I don't even remember your face sometimes. But you were just so beautiful. And I hope in this life I'll get to meet you and see you as an adult and see everything that you've done in life and share my experiences and my learnings with you. I hope that time comes.
And given that she's my childhood crush, I feel exactly the same way as well. So looking forward to it.